Welcome to Three Pines at 119 Forrest Street in Peppermint Grove. This home sits on a magnificent 1984 square metre estate. The residence itself was built in 1920 and is of grand Federation proportions. There are 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and multiple living areas, but they include a lovely cosy library in the middle of the house, a magnificent master suite with verandas on all sides, an incredibly large family room, in fact one of the largest I've ever seen, and then there's the dining and kitchen area, which is an absolutely magnificent space. This home is one of the most classic homes you will ever find. Homes like Three Pines represent an extraordinary opportunity to secure your family's future in Perth's best suburb. I look forward to making your new home at Three Pines.